This is my dog named Milo. This is what he does. Huh. He fetches. Milo. Milo. Give me that. Go get it. See, my baby. Yeah, Milo, my baby. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Let go. Let go. Let go. You little forehead. Let go. Let go. Mommy gonna throw it. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Go get it. Go get it. Come on. Go get your toy. Go get your toy. Milo, go get your toy. Come on. Go get it. I'm gonna get your toy. I'm gonna get your toy. Let go. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Uh-huh. So yeah, play with my doggy. Go get it. Get your toy. So yes, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Push that subscribe button down below. Red button. Let you know when I upload a video. Thank you. Bye.